Popcorn ready? Lights dimmed? Subtitles on? No, I'm not inviting you to a movie night. I'm inviting you to learn English. Yes, English, the Bollywood way. Or should I say, the Hollywood way? With a little bit of Desi Tadka. Hello, my amazing listener. Welcome back to Dear Listeners, your cozy audio corner where we don't just learn English, we live it, feel it, and make it fun. I'm Sunita Rawat, and today we are doing something filmy, fun, and fabulous. Because we are diving into how you can learn English just by watching English movies. No boring grammar books, no pressure to sound perfect, just you, your screen, and a little curiosity. You might be wondering, can I really learn English this way? Well, let's rewind to something familiar. Remember how you picked up words like sorry, thank you, or please from Bollywood movies, even without being taught. Movies stay with us, scenes stick, dialogues become part of our daily lives. So today we are going to make English movies your new English teacher. And trust me, this teacher doesn't give homework. Let's start with the why. Why do movies work so well for learning English? Because movies give you real English, not textbook English. You hear how people talk in real life. You learn tone, expression, accent, body language, and so much more. It's like learning English with feelings. Think about this. In school, we learned what is your name. But in movies, you hear, hey, I'm Jake, nice to meet you. What do you go by? Mind if I ask your name? Suddenly, English becomes alive. It becomes a living language, not just a subject. Now, let's bring it closer to home. Remember how many of us learned words like tension, boss, problem, or cool from Bollywood? Movies like Three Idiots didn't just entertain us, they made all is well a catchphrase. Similarly, English Winglish beautifully showed how someone could learn English at any age just by observing, listening, and practicing. So, if Hindi movies can make you emotional, thoughtful, and even improve your Hindi or English, imagine what English movies can do to your English. Okay, now let's get to the practical part. Step 1. Choose the right movie. Don't start with heavy dialogues or complex language. Start with simple, clear spoken movies. We'll give you a list at the end. Step 2. Watch with English subtitles. Yes, English subtitles, not Hindi. This helps your ears and eyes connect sound with spelling. Step 3. Break it down. Don't watch the whole movie like a regular viewer. Choose a small scene, 2 to 3 minutes. Watch it once normally, then again slowly, and then try to repeat the lines. Step 4. Shadowing. Repeat after the actors. Try to copy their tone, rhythm, and speed. This is called shadowing, and it's super effective. Step 5. Note down phrases. Not just new words, write full phrases. For example, let's hang out. I'm running late. You've got to be kidding me. Step 6. Speak aloud. Practice speaking those phrases with your own emotion. You'll slowly gain confidence and fluency. Let me tell you something. I had a student once who watched The Lion King over 10 times. Every time she paused scenes, wrote down words, and mimicked the characters. She didn't just learn English, she started thinking in English. That's the power of stories, that's the power of movies. Here are some bonus tips for you. Watch the same movie multiple times. The first time for fun, second time for learning. Choose movies you love. If you are not enjoying it, you won't learn. Record yourself repeating scenes. It's a bit awkward at first, but it works like a magic. Create a movie book, write dialogues, expressions, and review them often. And the biggest tip, don't try to understand everything. Even native speakers don't catch every word in every movie. You just need to catch the flow, the feeling, the vibe. Alright, dear listener, you've waited long enough. It's time for the masaledar part, movie recommendations. Here is a little watch list just for you, especially if you are just starting. Number 1. The Pursuit of Happiness. Simple English, emotional story, amazing performance by Will Smith. You'll learn phrases about daily life, struggles, and motivation. Number 2, Finding Nemo. Yes, it's animated but perfect for learners. Clear voice, simple words, and loads of expression. Number 3 on the list is Forrest Gump. Slow paced speech, iconic lines, and a story you won't forget. Number 4, The Intern, a heartwarming movie with natural conversations, great for learning polite expressions and workplace vocabulary. Number 5, The Holiday. Romantic comedies are great because they use daily casual English. Number 6, Harry Potter series with subtitles. If you are a fantasy lover, this is a great long term watch to improve vocabulary. British accent and storytelling style. And of course, TV shows like Friends. If you want to go a little further, just remember slow and steady. So, my dear listener, English is not just a subject, it's a sound, a style, a story, and what better way to absorb it than through movies? This week, I challenge you, yes, you, to pick just one movie from today's list. Watch one scene, repeat it, note it down, and speak it out loud. Let English become your second voice, not through fear, but through fun. This is Sunita Rawat signing off, but not for long. I'll be back with more stories, more tips, and more love in our next episode of Dear Listeners. Until then, keep watching, keep speaking, and most of all, keep believing in yourself. Good night and happy watching.